It appears that the situation of the Karens has gotten worse. About 7 people are reported dead due to the Karens. 14 people have been injured. Karens have seemed to have gotten more aggressive. Police are struggling to contain the Karens. The government is thinking of releasing the military against the Karens. It appears giving the Karens what they want is no longer an option for survival. We advise you to pick out any weapon and defend. The Karens have been hacking this broadcast. Please do not listen to what they say. 12 more people are reported killed by the Karens. Local authorities are doing the best they can. Police have resorted to killing the Karens due to containment not working. The Karens are trying to hack the broadcast. They may hack it fully soon. We urge you not to listen to them, for more people are reported dead. This is the real broadcast. The Karens have nearly fully hacked the broadcast. We are going to end this. Please stay safe.